This car accident was the result of a drunk driver. Amazingly, there were only non-life-threatening injuries in this accident. However, there were tens of thousands of dollars of property damage. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down how damages are calculated and how victims are compensated in a drunk driving accident. I'm Scott Richmond, an Illinois personal injury attorney with the law firm of Ariano, Ritt. And since 1981, we've been helping Chicagoland residents with their legal problems. There are potentially several liable parties in a drunk driving collision. First, the driver who was driving while intoxicated. Second, if the driver was driving a company vehicle or was coming from or going to a company event, the employer of that driver could potentially be liable. And third, if that driver was at a bar or a restaurant and was overserved by the staff, that bar or restaurant could also be liable under what are called dram shop laws. One of the most crucial aspects of any collision is proving fault and liability. When it involves a drunk driver, the laws and regulations vary from state to state. However, in general, if a police report confirms that the other driver was under the influence of alcohol or drugs at the time of the collision, the process of determining fault becomes more straightforward. To support your claim, it is essential to gather all of the evidence, such as witness statements, breathalyzer results, blood tests, photos, video, and any other relevant information. It is crucial to consult with a personal injury attorney who specializes in motor vehicle collisions. They possess the expertise to guide you through this complicated legal nuance involved in drunk driving accidents and ensure that you receive the compensation that you deserve. Additionally, an attorney can help you determine if other avenues of compensation are available to you, such as seeking damages from the employer or bar or restaurant when they overserved their patron alcohol. Understanding the ins and outs of a drunk driver accident can make a significant difference in your ability to recover damages and the amount of damages recovered after such an unfortunate event. To win your case and obtain a satisfactory settlement, there are 3 to 4 things that you need to receive compensation. First, you need to show that the other party was at fault for the collision. Second, you have to prove that their actions were the cause of your injuries. Third, you have to then prove the damages that you suffered as a result of that collision. And fourth, where dram shop laws are involved, you have to show that that bar or restaurant overserved their patron. After 28 years, I've seen it all. Now, the insurance company is not on your side, and they have one goal, and that's to minimize the amount of compensation that they're willing to pay you so that their shareholders are happy. Schedule a time to meet with our team to review your case and get all of your options. There is no cost for you in speaking to us, and we only get paid if we recover for you. You don't pay us anything unless we get a settlement or a judgment for you.